we're gonna clean pewter. We'll make a paste out of all-purpose flour and vinegar. Add some flour to the bowl. Add some white vinegar to the bowl. Mix it up into a paste. Inside you can see all kinds of corrosion. Cover the pewter with this mixture. Rub this mixture into the pewter. You can see there's all kinds of stains on it that are starting to come off. The flour allows the vinegar to stick to the surface. We'll clean one and we'll leave the other one so you can see the difference. Adding more flour will make a thicker paste. We'll let this mixture sit for a while. Ketchup also works because it has vinegar in it and it's pretty thick. Ketchup is definitely more expensive though. It's been sitting for about 20 minutes. We'll wash it off. Here's the one that I just cleaned and here's the one that I didn't. I'm going to need another application. Inside, it's a lot cleaner than it was. You can see how bad it was before. We'll reapply. To get some of these stubborn stains off, I'll use this nylon sponge. It's a cellulose sponge with the nylon on one side. This is taking a lot more of the corrosion off. We'll rinse everything off. The spots and stains are gone. Now I am seeing a little bit of the scrub marks on it. On the uncleaned cup, you can see some of these little stains. But you can see some scrub marks now. I'll buff out some of these scratches. Even with the buffing, I'm seeing these little small scratches left by the nylon. Clean it up with a little 1000 grit sandpaper. The surface is going to be a lot better this way, but it's obviously more work. Of course, now there's no big scratches and there's no stains. I'll go over everything with 1500 grit sandpaper. I'll rebuff it. Really starting to shine up now. I'll clean everything up with a little rubbing compound. A lot cleaner, a lot shinier after we polish it. On the second cup, I'm not going to use the nylon because I don't want the scratches. I'll clean it up with just toothpaste. This will help get some of that aggressive grime off without putting the scratches in. With the toothpaste, it's cleaner, but you can still see there's stains on it. There's stains, but there's not scratches. On this one here where we polished it, we were able to polish out the scratches. I'll apply our vinegar and flour solution. We'll allow all that vinegar solution to sit in the bottom to try to clean it out. We'll go ahead and wash this off. It's a whole lot cleaner. Obviously, it's not as shiny as the one that we polished. There's a few ways of polishing pewter.